My name is Dr. Srigauri HN and I'm working as a general ophthalmologist in Nethadama Super Speciality Eye Hospital. Today, I'm here to talk to you regarding the precious gift of eye donation. Can you imagine a world of darkness wherein you cannot see the faces of your loved ones or see the beauty of the nature or even perform simple daily tasks without any assistance? This is very scary and unimaginable, right? But sadly, this is the case for millions of people worldwide. Blindness continues to be one of the major public health concerns. Before dwelling on the statistics of corneal blindness, let us understand what cornea is. Cornea is the anteriormost part of the eye or front part of the eye, which is transparent and avascular and forms the major refracting surface of the eye, helping in transmission of the light inside. In India, as per the NPCB statistics, there are about 1.3 lakh corneal blind people and about 20 to 30,000 get added every year. National Eye Donation Fortnight is celebrated between August 25th to September 8th in India as a part of initiative by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This is done as a part to create awareness among the general public regarding the importance of eye donation. Let us explore answers for some of the questions that you might have regarding eye donation. The cornea should be ideally retrieved within 6 hours after the death. A team of experts will come and will make sure your corneas are harvested safely and are well preserved and transplanted as early as possible. This process in no way will cause disfigurement of the face or hinder with the process of funeral arrangements. In India, we have something known as Human Organ Transplantation and Tissue Act, which was started in 1985, which gives us uniform guidelines regarding the organ processing and transplants. Anybody, regardless of age, sex, blood group, or religion, can donate their eyes. Even people with high refractive errors can donate the eyes. People having decreased vision due to any retinal pathology whose cornea is clear also can donate their eyes. Register as an eye donor or pledge your eyes at the nearest eye bank. Even if you have not pledged your eyes, at the time of death, your relatives can contact the nearest eye bank. Till the team of experts arrive, close the eyelids of the donor and place a piece of wet cotton over the eyes. Turn off the fan. The experts will arrive and retrieve the corneas very carefully and preserve them well. We at Nethadama are here to support you every step of the way. Let's pledge our eyes and make a difference in someone else's life by helping them see the beautiful world outside.